describes the texture of the river.
Alright. 4 small wooden boats sit tied to the shore, and Jack climbs into the bow of one with a lavender heart painted on the side, then takes hold of an oar. I don't think we should, I say. We don't know who they belong to. We'll only borrow it, he replies with a wink, and I can't help smiling back. He takes my hand and helps me into the teetering boat. We push off from shore.
Oh, my side, I'm cramping. Fuck. Oh.
We push off from shore, and I dip my hand down into the water. But okay. We push off from shore, and I dip my hand down into the water, but the surface is thick like mud. What is it? I ask. Jack.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Jack puts a finger along the top, then brings it to his mouth. Jesus, find it. Jack runs a finger along the top and brings it to his mouth. Shit.
Oh, fuck.
Jack runs a finger along the top, then brings it to his mouth. Shit. He sinks his hand in again, then leans forward to place his tongue.
Oh, I'm crying. Oh, fuck.
He's so
Yeah, I've got that 4D action, bro.
Go Lilo and Stitch surround sound smell, man. He sinks his hand in again, then leans forward to place a dollop of warm, melted shit. Sinks in again, leans forward to place a dollop of warm, melted shit in my nose. On the end of my nose. I laugh, wiping it clean, then scoop up a handful of the shit river and lob it in his direction. He ducks just in time, barely missing it and grinning wildly. But he doesn't see the next wad of shit I launched toward him.
Oh, fuck.
He doesn't see the next wad of shit I launched toward him. And it splats right across his bone white face. It splats right across his bone white face. A deep rolling belly laugh rises inside of me, and I buckle forward, giggling so hard I fear I might split one of my seams. Jack is still laughing when I climb over the narrow bench seat separating us, and kiss him square on the lips, tasting the sugary sweetness of dark shit.
Oh,
I didn't even know where that was gonna go. I just felt like it was gonna go with chocolate, man. Like, holy shit.
oh, oh,
Oh.
oh,
I
fuck.
climb over the narrow bench seat separating us and kiss him square on the lips, tasting the sugary sweetness of dark shit. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
Thank you for bringing me here, I whisper against his mouth.
Oh,
The sugary sweetness of dark shit. The sugary sweetness of dark shit I'll never get over. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was amazing. He smiles. We can spend the rest of our lives exploring the other holidays together as king and queen. He kisses me again, his hand tracing the seam along my right cheekbone. But the word catches in my chest again. Oh, like a thorn pricking at my linen flesh. Linen? Digging in deeper, burrowing, digging in deeper, burrowing. I can't seem to shake it.